Hey guys, today I'll be playing Roblox Build a Boat for Treasure, and I'll be showing you guys brand new code that just came out. Now again, I always play on laptop, but I won't do it this time either. So I'm playing on iPad right now. Now, if I get into the code, if you don't know how to get to the code place, then here you go. First, open shop, then click on the settings button, then go all the way down, and you'll see the redeem code place. So, our secret code today is voted code. Now guys, this code gives very rare items. 5 balloons, 5 cakes, 5 neon blocks. Ooh, let's go. Wait, 3 trees? Wait, what? Did he actually add trees back? Guys, a huge secret has been revealed in Build a Boat for Treasure. Trees have been added. I can't believe this. Trees got added back? The trees were added while the Team Trees thing was going on, but okay. This guys, you got, if you just started a new account and you use this code, you will end up with 8 blocks of wood, 1 seat, 3 trees, which just revealed the secret. And a boat motor, 5 balloons, one driver's seat, 5 neon blocks, and 5 pieces of cake. 5 pieces of cake. Well, cake is a rare item, not found so usually, even in codes. So yeah. Now I think I just made a full-on boat with this stuff. So I'm gonna enter my driver's seat here and I'll launch this boat. Well, alright, not bad, but alright, that works. Now I guess I'm gonna be jumping on the tree. Okay. So here's our full-on boat, guys. Sailing away. So yeah. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So yeah. And comment down below if you want a free shout out. And I can give you a few Robux if you give me your username. Okay, so bye bye, see you later.